Hello. So we're gonna be doing vlog start today. We are in Quebec. It's a little boo-boo happened. So I was researching, IKEA. We've been to IKEA before, Josh and I, but for some reason, the one I had pulled up, he said was too far. So I found another one in Sherbrooke because I could swear we've been to IKEA in Sherbrooke, but I guess we had not. So anyway, we drove all the way to Sherbrooke to the address that's on the website where it says an IKEA, warehouse or whatever, and it was not.
It was literally a warehouse.
So I guess it is truly a warehouse. I don't know, honey. Whatever. We are like, well, we're gonna have a fun day. We decided to make it. It's a road trip. It's just some bonding time. So we're gonna head over to the IKEA in Boucherville. Right, John? Boucherville. All right. So road trip.
It's longer than expected.
It's just fine. It's just only almost 11 o'clock in the morning. Thank God we left a little early. Road trip. This is the same place we came to last time. Boucherville. Boucherville.
You want water?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah, a bottle of water. It says it's following me, like I know where I'm going. All right, let's see what. This is Josh's style. His ideal what? Man area. Mm-hmm. Dark. Yeah, you can see that. Right. Go away. Go in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen. Not my kind of kitchen. But cute though. Cute. That's cool. The packs. This is a huge one. But eventually I think I like something like this. Oh, that's not, it ain't cheap, that's for sure. Oh, you can put lights in. I was like, what?
Yeah, they don't put a dot like we did. They put a comma.
Oh, I see. I was like, wow. This is the compliment packs. Here's the Billy. Kind of like what I want, but I don't want all glass. I want the one I'm getting is a Billy Oaks barge. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's half glass and then half doors. This is all glass, which is cute. So it's kind of like this, but not really. Super cute.
So, but are you getting a blue one?
No, I'm getting a white one. We are here to pick them up. Let's see. Oaks Barge. How do you say Oaks Barge? Oaks Barge. Is that 26?
Oui, c'est 26.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you
C'est
speak.
quoi cassier?
Huh? Say that again. Did I marry a Frenchman? Oh my god. All right, so we'll grab one.
Is it bin 4?
No, it's
Okay, then
26 bin 1.
Okay, there's bin 1's right there.
Oh my god. Bin 1 is empty.
No, there's one right here.
Oh. Aisle 9, bin 15. That's 13, 14, 15.
You're getting a desk?
No. I'm getting the Alex9 drawer. What is she?
That's Alex right there.
So we're out of Ikea. Heading home. We got the Ikea Billy Oxford, the Alex9 drawer. What else? That was it, right?
Yes. Oh, and you got
Yes.
a couple boxes and some
And
Ikea cookies.
Yep.
My wife treated me to Ikea cookies.
Because he wanted it.
I wanted some Ikea cookies.
He wanted some Ikea cookies, so here we are. And it's not bad, it's yummy.
Yeah.
And I almost lost my phone! Because where we went to get the Alex9 drawers, it was empty. So I luckily saw some guys over there and I approached them and I said, you know, I'm looking for have more anywhere. He took me to the place. So I dropped my phone on top of the Alex9 drawer and totally, you know, helped Josh load it onto the car
She
and
forgot
walked
her
off.
phone. I was a good 15 minutes. That was like 15 minutes because remember we
Yeah, we had walked off and everything. We're about to go
walked
check
off
out,
and everything.
check out and pay. And
Yeah.
we're just like, wait a minute, what's my phone?
Yeah.
And the only reason I realized that is because I needed to get my Ikea.
I didn't realize we're
membership.
part of the Ikea family because we didn't get invited to parties. We didn't get anything. Like we're a part of the Ikea family. So
Yes, we
Ikea,
have
if
an
you're
Ikea
paying attention,
membership.
hashtag Ikea family.
Didn't get any discounts.
We didn't.
so.
We didn't get invited to any barbecues. If we're part of the Ikea family.
Yeah, we didn't get any discount, but that's okay. Hopefully that'll help in some way. But yeah, nice. It's a bit rainy today, so we're headed back to Vermont. Heading out of Boucherville. So this is literally the same place we came to, like, let's see,
2018.
Yeah, Jordan was, 2019, I'd say. Well, yeah, 2018 actually, 2018. When I came to buy my Ikea. What did we buy that day?
We bought you went hog wild. You bought your desk, and you bought those drawers, and you bought that other desk.
Yeah, so this is where I bought my Ikea desks.
Yeah.
And I know I did order. I know I ordered there's something I ordered from there online. It got delivered. I think it was
the desk.
The Alex5 drawers. I forget or something. But anyway, but we're back here. Yes, headed back to V-Town, Vermont. And there it is. We are all set up. That is the Billy Oxford all set up. Finally, I get to have all my products in a shelf, organized. Finally, my kids are grown. My baby's turning 4. My girls are, very grown. So, yeah. So there's the bookshelf. And then I got the Alex9 Alex9 drawer. Yep. Okay, and that's the other side. Just a little desk. Rug situation. That's my new Ricky Pretty. I love it. It's super cute. My son keeps playing with it, so I had to unplug it. But yes, guys, we are pretty much kind of done. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you on the other side. Ciao.